Okay, good morning everyone. Today we will learn about advantages of accounting. Advantages of accounting. Now you know about the accounting. Accounting is the process of recording, classifying, summarizing and financial transaction, communicating the information to its user we need for decision making. Now maintain the books of accounts in the accountant. Advantages of the accounting. Which type of advantages of accounting? Now first point, it helps ascertain profit or loss of the year. Clear? First point, it helps ascertain profit and loss of the year. Now, a businessman start the business and the end of the accounting period, how much profit earned and how much loss of the business. Now prepare the at the end of the accounting period profit and loss account of the year. Is nothing but financial performance. Clear? Now second point, it facilitates to ascertain financial position of the business. Financial position of the business. Clear? Now second point, it facilitates to ascertain financial position of the business. Financial position of the business is called balance sheet. At the end of the accounting period, to prepare the financial position of the business. Now balance sheet is nothing but, it is not the account, it is a statement how much assets and how much liabilities at the end of the accounting period. Advantage of the accounting. Now third point, it facilitates replace to human memory by maintaining a record to all financial transactions. Clear? Now third point, it facilitates replace human memory. Now businessman starting the business. Now number of transactions daily, purchasing, sale, wages, salaries paid, etc. Now human memory cannot be stored and cannot be observed each and everything. That's why businessman maintaining a systematically recording of a bookkeeping with the help of a accounting. With the help of a accounting and to all financial transactions. Financial transaction. Each and every financial transaction recording into the books of accounting. Okay. Fourth point. It facilitates to any legal requirement which require to record all the books of accounts. All the books of accounts. All the books of accounts. Now, fourth one, it facilitates. Now, maintain the books of account facilitates legal formalities or legal requirement. Now, start the business first of all, like sole proprietary form of single person maintained, or any other two or members starting the business is known as a partnership firm. Those who are enter into the partnership firm to the partners, many legal requirements like formation of the firms and formation of the company and registrations, etc. Number of requirement. Now legal requirement, totally requirement to record all the books of accounts. To record all the books of accounts. Now, fifth point, it helps to ascertain cost of product or service. It helps to ascertain cost of product or services. Cost of product or services. Now, books of accounting, the another advantage, helps to the ascertain cost of product or services. How to determine the cost of product? How to determine the cost of product? Now, first, cost of how to determine cost of product. Now, first, cost of material. Next, cost of labor. Cost of material, cost of labor, and cost of manufacturing. Manufacturing is called the cost of product. Cost of product. Now, any other product, how to determine the cost of product? First of all, cost of material. Next, cost of labor. Next, cost of manufacturing. And finally, cost of a product. Cost of a product. Now, small example, cost of material, a small refrigerator. Material cost 5,000. Now, labor cost 2,000. Now, cost of manufacturing cost 1,000. And totally cost of product, cost of each product 8,000. Clear? It helps to ascertain the cost of product. Now, benefit of the accounting. Now, preparing the accounts, it is the benefit or help to the cost of the product or services. And next, it facilitates to it facilitates to management for planning and decision makings to the firms. Okay, it facilitates to management think about the for planning and decision making to the further future of the developing to the firm. Next, it facilitates user to take decisions. Okay, to maintain the books of account, it is one of the benefit facilitates to user to take a decisions. Users is nothing but already mentioned. I did mention the internal and external users. Internal and external users. Okay. Now next point. It facilitates to compare. It facilitates to comparing performance of a business of a. It facilitates to comparing performance of one business to or one firm to another firm. Now every businessman comparing to the one firm to the another firm, performance of business, and as well as comparing to the past data or past information. Past data and information. Now it is one of the facilities to the maintenance of the books of accounts. Comparing performance. Now one firm to another firm, comparing to the now how much profit earn in this company and how much profit in our company, like comparison, and as well as comparing to the last year profit or last year loss or past information to the profit or loss. Okay, next point. It facilitates raising of loans. It facilitates the raising of loans and the value of the business Now, a books of account show into the like bankers, each and every statement to the check and facilities to the owners to provide the loan, raising of the loans like short-term loans and long-term loans, and automatically the value of the business to the increase. Okay. That's it. Advantages of accounting. Now one second, first of all, it helps to ascertain profit and loss account of the every year. Now preparing simply financial performance and next facilities to the ascertain financial position of the business and next facilities replace of human memory and next any legal formalities requirement and next one cost of product. Now cost of product, how to determine the cost of product, like cost of material, cost of labor, cost of manufacturing and totally each product, like some example 5 2 plus 1000 plus 8000. And finally is facilities to the management and management for the like thinking about the next planning to the business and decision making to the firm. And next it facilitates to the user to take decisions and facilitates to the comparing performance to the one firm to the another firm and as well as to the last data performance of the profit or loss. And last one is facilitates to raising to the loans is nothing but value of the business. Okay, that's it. Advantages of accounting. Now next disadvantages of accounting. Okay, next disadvantages of accounting. Now let's start the first point. It ignores qualitative elements. It ignores qualitative elements like quality of manpower and managerial skill of administration and managerial skills of administration managerial skills of administration and finally public relatives. Clear. Now this is the first disadvantage of accounting. First of all, ignores. Now ignores means avoid elements, qualitative elements is nothing but quality of manpower. Quality of a manpower. And next one, managerial skills of a administration. And finally, public relatives. Like public relatives or public relations is nothing but disadvantages. Now second one, prepare financial statement on the basis of historical cost. That is, the price level changes. The price level the price level changes and the value of purchasing power of price level changes. That is historical cost basis. The price level changes, the value and power of the prices. Clear? Second point, financial statement. Financial statement is nothing but financial performance or financial result. I did mention the last class, financial statement. First one, profit and loss account. Now another one, balance sheet. Both of you on the basis of historical cost. Historical cost is nothing but measure the value of asset. Measure the value of asset. Recording into the books of accounts. Recording into the books of accounts. And finally, the price level changes. The price level changes. The price level changes is nothing but the value and the power of the prices. The value and power of the prices. And last point, it is not also personal bias. Personal bias. It ignores the same, the price level changes. That is the price level changes. That is first one, changes of depreciation and changes of a inventory is nothing but LIFO and FIFO order. LIFO and FIFO order, etc. Okay, now last point. It is not also personal bias. It ignores the price level changes is the thing, but changes of depreciation. Depreciation means decreasing the value of asset. The permanently continually using the asset, the value of the asset diminishing is known as a